Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to talk about how to remove hyperlink from PDF online. So in this video I am going to make a quick tutorial on it, and I will go with the easiest one step to remove hyperlink from PDF files. So there is a couple of methods, but I will see you the simple one. So let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, this is our PDF file, and here we have this option. It is the link. If I click over here, it will redirect me to the ChatGPT, and this is the result. So if I want to remove this one, so I am going to use Canva. Canva gives us the easiest and simplest way to remove link from a PDF. So here you need to be create an account. Once you complete your account, just click on more, and more you have the option for upload. Just click on upload files. Once you click over here, they will give you the option for select. So I'm going to select it, and now it has been uploaded in our canva.com. Since this file has been uploaded, you need to be click over here. Once we click over here, now we have the option for here. So I'm going to click in this open in a new tab option. Once I click over here, now I have full preview here to edit every and each section. If I want to delete it, I'm allowed to delete it. As you can see, I can do it whatever I want with this one. So I'm going to delete this frame also. Now I'm going to, like, this one is the link version, so I can remove the link by clicking over three dot. Once I click over here, now you can see that we have many options. So if you want to remove the link, just click over here and you are allowed to remove the link. So the process is really simple. Again, let's click the text, or you can add a link over here, or you can remove the link. So here you can see magic, right? Or you can go with this option. So here you can do it whatever you want. The process is really simple. If you want to remove the link, just delete it. The process is really simple. I hope you love this video, and the process and the step will be helpful for you in near future. I hope you will love this video. If you don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.